Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught.
There he goes.
That will guide you. Recruits.
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
There they are, look.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Wait.
Oh no! Oh, he's shooting at us.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Oh yeah. Oh no!
Fire!
Come on.
The escape pods just below us. Take the lift down. Hurry! No, not now! I said down!
Get up.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields?
How cool is that?
I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Nick, we're going to the elevator. There he is.
Of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Nicholas. Was that awesome?
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant?
How was that?
Keep your eyes on Beck.
Nicholas, how was that?
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive!
Mitch, was that awesome?
So, great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.